Hi, good morning, boys and girls, moms and dads. Okay, I'm gonna send a clap to the ones who want to say hi to me with a clap. I'm going to send a hug to the ones who want to say hi to me with a hug. And I'm going to dance with the ones who want to say hi to me dancing. Esa es la clase del día de hoy, papitos. Así que vamos a comenzar. Let's start. Okay, we're going to see about the hour. This is a clock. And on the clock, there is a long hand and there is a short hand. Can you tell me to what number the short hand is pointing to? I don't hear you. What number? To number? Yes, to number 3. The short hand is pointing to number 3. Now, let's see. The long hand. To what number is the long hand pointing to? To number? I don't hear you. To number? Yes, to number 12. And when it points to number 12, we say o'clock. Can you repeat it? Louder. O'clock. Very good. That's how you say it. So then, to say, what time is it? We say it's 3 o'clock. And you can write it like this, or you can write it like this. Okay, now you're ready to do the worksheet activity. And here, can you tell me to what number the shorthand is pointing to? To number? I don't hear you. Number 9. Very good. And to what number is the long hand pointing to? To number? To what number? I don't hear you. To number 12. And when it points to number 12, how do you say it? O'clock. Very good. Great. So then, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, now, in the other clock, can you tell me to what number the shorthand is pointing to? To number? What number? I don't hear you. Number 5. Very good. Number 5. And can you tell me to what number the long hand is pointing to? To number? I don't hear you. Number 12. Very good. So then, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Excellent. You're ready to continue with this activity. And now let's see what we have to do here. We have to draw the hands for the hour. Very good. We have to draw the hands for the hour. Let's see what time it says. It's 2 o'clock. Okay. So then, the shorthand on what number? We're going to put it to number 2. Very good. The shorthand, we put it to number 2. And the long hand, to what number do we put it to? To number 12. Very good. We put it showing number 12. Okay, now you're ready to do this activity. And don't forget that you see this video too, so that you can dance with it with the hour. Thank you and goodbye.